everybody! It's your friend Nole-Tasha. I thought since we're all stuck inside, it might be fun to do a craft project together. Yes, a craft project. So I've got my box of craft supplies out there, you can see, and I've got everything laid out here on the table so we can get started. Now, I really like flowers. You can see my daffodils there. Yes, lovely daffodils, very pretty. And I thought since everybody's been making hearts and putting them in their window, we should make heart flowers. You know, kind of like daffo hearts maybe. That could be kind of fun. And so we've got all the things out here that we're going to need. We're going to need some construction paper, and we've got some bamboo skewers. You use those for kebabs. Oh, I just love kebabs. It's kind of a fun word to say too. Try it. Kebab. Ha. And then we've got scissors, and then I've got a pencil, because you always need a pencil for stuff like this. And you need some glue. Now I'm using white glue, but school glue would work too. Let's start by making the hearts. First, you need 2 pieces of paper. Fold them in half lengthwise. Yep, that's the long way. Now we're going to draw half a heart right along the fold line, because after we cut it out, we'll get a whole heart by the time we're done. Actually, we'll get 2 whole hearts. Now, carefully use your scissors to cut it out. I've made 3 on my paper, so now we've got 3 yellow hearts. Now we need some leaves. Using 2 pieces of green paper, again, fold them in half lengthwise. We're going to make pointy leaves, kind of like tulips. I've made 5 sets of leaves because that's how many I could get on here. Now we carefully cut them out. 1, 2, there's 3, 4. Yes, I missed the lines there, I know. And 5. 5 sets of leaves. Oh my goodness! I had so much fun cutting out the yellow hearts that I didn't stop there. I know of red ones and blue ones and pink ones and all sorts of colors. Let's get them glued together. Start with 1/2 of a heart and your bamboo skewer. Now I've got some white glue here too, just in the top of an old yogurt container to make it easy to work with. Put some white glue in the middle of the heart and on each side. And then put the bamboo skewer in the middle. Make sure that the pointy side is facing down. Take the other half of the heart and put some glue down the middle. Now we're going to put this piece on top of this piece. Now you want to press down on the edges. You might need a grown-up to help you on this part, but once you've done it, I think you'll get the hang of it. Now we need to add the leaves. Our heart is going to sit right in the middle of the leaves, like that. Just like the heart, put glue in the middle and on each edge of the leaf. Now lay the skewer on top of it with the heart, just like that. Then put some glue in the middle of the other half of the leaf and put it on top of the first. And press it down. I'm going to hold it just for a second so that the glue sticks. And just like that, our first heart flower is done. I'm going to make the rest, and then we'll see how they look. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Look at all these great heart flowers we made. And that's not even half of it. I had my friends Riley and Brady and Gracie come over today, and they helped me plant flowers all over the yard so that anybody who walks by knows that they are loved and cared for, just like you. You can make flowers for your yard too. It's really easy. All right, so remember, God loves you, and so does your friend Nole-Tasha. Bye-bye.